Welcome back to our channel, Rocks to Reefs. Today we're kayaking in Alaska.
The Tatoosh Islands.
Here we go.
Sleepyhead.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome back to Rocks to Reefs. As you can see, I just woke up.
And I've been up for hours.
Woke up to this beautiful sight. Ketchikan. What a difference than from where we are from, huh? So we got an exciting day of kayaking and hanging out around a campfire and drinking s'mores and coffee, or no?
No campfire.
All right, well, I can dream, right?
We're taking a Zodiac boat to the Tatoosh Islands where we're going to be kayaking, and then after that they're going to give us cookies and hot chocolate as a treat before we take the Zodiac back, and then we'll be back on the ship. So it's a look in the mid-50s, so you can see I'm ready, I'm bundled up. Hopefully we don't get wet because it's pretty cold.
Stay tuned. We're excited to take you with us on our adventure.
Ward Cove is set up to make everything easy for cruise passengers. Right after leaving the ship, you'll enter a large shopping area filled with souvenirs. You can find just about anything here, including beanies, shot glasses, Christmas ornaments, and plenty of Alaska-themed gifts. There are also food options and comfortable seating where you can take a break before heading out. When you're ready to explore Ketchikan, you can board the free shuttle into town. And if you've booked an excursion, the pickup area is clearly marked with signs directing you to each tour.
All right, so we're here in Ketchikan. This is kind of the central spot to buy everything. Back here, it's a huge store with just about every type of apparel and collectible you can imagine. But over here is your tour area. So if you're getting ready for a tour, you come into this building and then you find your tour here. We're gonna do sea-kayak. A 4x4 one over there, that'd be pretty cool. We're not with Carnival. There's a bunch of really cool adventures you can do here. So if you're looking for what it's gonna be like when you go to your tour, this is the spot.
All right, we are on our tour bus headed to Tatoosh Island. What did she say the name of the road was?
Potter Road.
We're gonna go to Potter Road on our tour bus, and then we'll get on our Zodiac, and then we'll take the Zodiac to the island, and then we'll get on the kayaks. Female, inboard, outboard, male.
We've arrived at the Southeast Exposure Outdoor Adventure Center on Potter Road in the Clover Pass area of Ketchikan. From here, we'll board a motorized Zodiac for the fast ride out to the remote Tatoosh Islands, where our kayaks are waiting.
For the front person, obviously they'll go on the back of up there. And then you'll kind of put your shoes, get those rocks off. And then you can either pull on to us, we'll help you, or hold on to the coaming of the kayak and kind of pull yourself up and over that seat back and then put your bum back down. Tatoosh loosely translates to mother's embrace, and so that is a perfect name for these islands because the Tatoosh, it provides a safe haven for not only the indigenous groups that would reside here, but also for the animals. So when the weather would get super crazy, the Tlingit people in their dugout canoes, they would come and hang out in the Tatoosh because no matter how crazy the weather is out there, they could always find a safe spot, like right here where there's no wind, and they could always kind of go into the islands and camp out for a couple days or however long they need, a couple hours. But on top of that, they didn't learn it just because they're super smart. They actually learned it from the animals. They followed the animals. Pregnant deer will swim out here. And they will come from like bigger islands such as Baton Island. They'll swim out here onto the Tatoosh Islands and have their fawn. And then once the fawn gets big enough, they'll kind of be able to go back towards Baton Island. But they'll do that to avoid predators. There are bears and wolves on Baton Island because they have water streams that like salmon will come through. And so these smaller islands, the Tatoosh Islands, won't be able to support life like that. And so they'll be able to come out here, get their fawns to be, just big enough, drinking out of puddles and stuff on the grass. And then they'll go back to the big city when they're ready and find a job and start, foraging for themselves. But yeah.
We are back on the Zodiac, having a great time kayaking, and we're looking forward to heading back. All right, we are headed back to the bus after a fun day of kayaking. We're headed back to the ship. Got a little bit of food, crab and stuff out here, and some music.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to.
Rocks to Reefs.
We'll see you on the next one. Take care.